Should we start the day? Shall we? Come on then. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. It's day 11 on the chili seed propagator. Let's have a look at the 4 trays and see what's going on. These videos just before a nice storm is coming through. Me and Miss Lucy here hanging out, having fun, aren't we, kid? What a goof. Alright, Kashmiri merch. Wow, we got some true leaves on all of them, I believe. Yep. Sweet bananas popped up nicely. Padron, we got some true leaves coming. Poblanos, black jalapenos are popping up. Quite slow poppers, but they're doing good. Cayennes are looking great. Alright. And then the Scotch bonnet MOA. I think I'm going to need to put a little bit of maybe fertiliser soon, or a little bit more water from the bottom of the trays, water them up. Let's move on to tray 2. Just before I do that, I'm just going to take the seed propagator cells out of the tray just to have a little look, and I think we're going to have to start moving some of these into the potting them up into the next cups, because the root systems are looking quite ready to rock. I think these need to come out. So tomorrow we'll do a lot more. I'm getting at least the Kashmiri merch and probably these cayennes out of the trays and into some cups. So yeah, good times. Next step, let's go to tray 2. I'm just going to show you a little setup I got going on here. There was the heat mat in the background I was using before. I've just got these 4 flexible LED lights just on a clamp. They seem to be doing good. So £30 off Amazon or something, so it seems to be doing alright. Yeah, nice and bright. Right, let's do tray 3 and 4. Alright, tray 2. You ready, kid? Yeah, she's good. Alright, Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Opening up nicely. Looking good. The ghost peppers. Spreading nicely now. Habaneros are finally showing. Look at that. Perfect 2 there on the go. Carolina Reapers still a bit slow on the go, but they get in there. This one's finally opened up nicely, as does that one. And then the Zimbabwe Black. Looking good. Let's go to tray 3. Okay. Should we do tray 3 and tray 4? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Okay. Alrighty guys. Okay, tray 3. We got the Armageddons looking very nice. Just starting to see a couple of true leaves popping through there. Super duper, Subrangi, my leggy friend. Some more coming through there, 3 coming through there. They're looking good. Hey, pineapple, yep. Large orange tie, 3rd one's popped. Looking good though. Let's hit tray number 4. Alrighty, tray 4. See our Tabascos. So 3 looking very nice there. Jalapeno, we got 1 super leggy and 1 I think we'll keep on. See how that one goes, eh? Buena Mulata, already got green with purple with green specks. Very strange, but looking forward to seeing how they turn out. Same there, the Buena Mulata. And then the Dream Catchers. Again, very strange leaves. I think these plants are going to be really nice to see. The true leaves already got like a stripe in the middle. Our Scotch bonnet MOA are looking a-okay. Yep. And the final dream catcher. Thank you all so much for watching today. Really appreciate the views, likes, comments, subscriptions. Yep, we'll be doing these daily and see how they go. Take care of yourselves, have a wonderful day, and hopefully we will see you around the same time tomorrow. Take care, look after yourself. No one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Look after me, myself and I, and we will see you soon. Ain't that right, Lucy? Take care. Bye-bye.